Want to transform your life effortlessly? It's not about giant leaps, but small, consistent habits. Today, I'll share 50 simple yet powerful habits that can change your life forever. Let's dive in. Morning habits. 1. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. 2. Drink a glass of water immediately after waking up. 3. Make your bed every morning. 4. Plan your top 3 priorities for the day. 5. Do 5 minutes of stretching or yoga. 6. Spend 10 minutes journaling your thoughts or gratitude. 7. Avoid checking your phone for the first 30 minutes of the day. 8. Take 10 deep breaths to center yourself. 9. Listen to an inspiring podcast while getting ready. 10. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Start your day right, and the rest will follow. Productivity habits. 11. Use the Pomodoro technique for focused work. 12. Declutter your workspace every evening. 13. Block out distractions with noise-canceling headphones. 14. Keep a to-do list and check off tasks for dopamine boosts. 15. Take 5-minute breaks every hour. 16. Learn one new fact every day. 17. Batch similar tasks together to save time. 18. Start your day with the hardest task first. 19. Use apps like Notion or Trello to organize your life. 20. End your workday with a 2-minute reflection. Health habits. 21. Walk at least 10,000 steps daily. 22. Drink 2 liters of water every day. 23. Swap sugary snacks for fruits. 24. Try meal prepping on Sundays. 25. Sleep at least 7 hours every night. 26. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. 27. Limit screen time before bed. 28. Try intermittent fasting. 29. Stretch before and after workouts. 30. Meditate for 5 minutes daily. Relationship habits. 31. Compliment someone every day. 32. Spend 15 minutes of quality time with loved ones. 33. Write thank you notes or texts. 34. Actively listen in conversations. 35. Set boundaries to protect your energy. 36. Forgive and let go of grudges. 37. Limit toxic social interactions. 38. Smile at strangers, you might make their day. 39. Call an old friend every month. 40. Practice kindness without expecting anything in return. Personal growth habits. 41. Read for 10 minutes daily. 42. Write down one new idea every day. 43. Watch educational videos on YouTube. 44. Learn a new skill every month. 45. Reduce negative self-talk. 46. Celebrate small wins. 47. Keep a success jar and add notes about achievements. 48. Volunteer for a cause you believe in. 49. Spend time in nature weekly. 50. Review your goals every Sunday. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Which habit will you start today? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips.